Getting pretty low. It's all done. Bird shit. So stay tuned for that. Just a square rectangle, I guess. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Wes. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the mini chopper. Today we're going to do some welding. I made up, can you see that? Some gussets. This one's just a square rectangle, I guess. They're going to go in some of the weak points here on the frame of the mini bike. We're going to weld those in. There's a couple other welds that are need touched up because they don't look too good, and I kind of got ahead of us and made these things off camera, but I'll record everything else from here on out. So yeah, I guess I got the camera set to you know, maximum quality setting. In the last video I didn't have it turned up all the way, so tell me if it's any better. So alright, let's get into it. Okay, we'll get you a better look at what I'm talking about here. This gusset, this frame keeps breaking right here. I've welded this a couple of times, and I think if I add a gusset here and then another one at the back, that'll help. And this engine stand, it only has like 3 legs, so you can kind of see where I've marked it out here. I'm going to add this little gusset here for extra strength, and these welds are all goober welds. I kind of want to reinforce those. I mean, this here now, you know, that needs cleaned up. You know, this may have been me. I don't know, I've had this thing a long time ago. I've had it for a long time. But I got a better welder, and this thing needs some touch-up welds. So let's do it. I don't need this engine anymore. This was just so I don't get the gusset in my way. Or I know where to put the gusset. So, first of all, I'm going to take some of this paint off. Yeah, kinda. I'll get it a little better later. But, alright, so let's get some of this stuff tacked in place, and yeah. Ooh. Getting pretty low. Booyah. Okay. Cool. Get this cable up out of the way. Try and preserve that. I'm going to turn my air compressor on. A little better. Yeah, she's a little dirty. It'll be fine. Cool. Yeah, let's see how I did. Whoop. Bird shit still. Not too bad. Let's come over here. No one will see that when it's on the inside. Take a look at this one. That'll do. Now I just want to kind of just touch up these. I mean, the welds are okay, they just look like crap, so I want to do some welds on the outside to make them look a little better. That doesn't look any better. It's like a damn caterpillar. Fixed. Alright guys, one last weld and then we're done here. See if I got the settings a little better. Yeah, it's a little better. I think I had it turned up too hot and fast before. You gonna focus on that thing or what? Hey. Ugh. It's all done. Yeah, well, let's take one final look at this. And this guy. These things. Yeah, I'm not going to paint it because I got some more stuff I plan on doing to this thing. It involves welding. Well, that's it for this week. Like I said, I'm not going to paint it or anything because I have some more welding I'm going to do right after this series of videos on this mini chopper. I'm going to do something else, so stay tuned for that. But that's it guys. I think I'm going to head on out of here. I'm not sure what the next video will be, maybe something else, I don't know. But alright you guys, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. So you guys take it easy.